Hi YouTube. I did a thing. Yeah. It is a 1959 Larson boat. It was a $600 Facebook Marketplace. I've done a boat in my life, so I figured I'd take on a new challenge, and I think I got my hands full. I think this is an Evinrude, 50 horsepower. Nothing like some caulk around there. Motor's seen better days. We've got some random parts in here. Looks like somebody's done some work there. Steering wheel. Electromagnetic Evinrude. Hydroelectric, something electric. It's amazing how one thing can really tune you into a boat. It was this and this. I thought it looked cool. Me and my wife's gonna kill me. So the trailer is also in vintage condition. It wheeled here without any lights, which is always fun. Rock question mark or rock I don't know what's going on there. Transom looks like it's in pretty good shape. Nothing like a bunch of wood in there to make you feel confident. Come over here again. Looks like somebody did some work to the floorboard recently. Stepped up in there. Everything feels solid. It's got the key. Biggest issue I see is around, these are some sort of side panels that go around it, I think. However, that's fun. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. Random hole. Okay. The rest of the floor seems somewhat solid, I guess. Gonna have some work to do on here. It's got this pulley system that wraps around, goes under there, but I'm not really feeling that. Here's our motor. I have not started it. Guy said it ran. But for $500, $600, I was like, we'll figure it out. He said he put this new switch on there. That's what got it to run. Everything's loosey-goosey there. It's looking okay. Not a motor guy, but I am a builder guy, so I'll hope and pray for that. But this motor has obviously seen better days. But he said it was an 86, I think. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So there she is. We will see how this goes, but I'm hoping you'll follow us along. We'll be making progress and we'll try and document it. And so like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. You can see me get annoyed, upset, frustrated, and hopefully some success to get this girl back on the water, and it's really a matter of how much money do you want to put into it, and is it worth it? Probably not, but it might be fun. It might be fun to follow, and we'll see if this you know, what is that, 40, 60 something year old boat, it's got any life left in her. Obviously pretty cool design. I'm sure SpongeBob would like it, but we'll see how it goes, and hopefully you enjoy it. All right, stay tuned.